What are the unique features of a mixture made from castor oil and baking soda? What benefits does it offer? How is it used, and when should it be avoided? Watch the video to the end to learn about this affordable and highly effective mixture. There are many different medicines in the world, and the pharmaceutical industry is constantly developing new ones. However, some natural substances have remained popular for decades, centuries, or even millennia. For example, castor oil was used in ancient Rome and Egypt, and baking soda has also been used for a long time. Today, the combination of these two simple yet powerful ingredients is still widely used. What are the features of the castor oil and baking soda mixture? Castor oil, rich in fatty acids like ricinoleic acid, is renowned for its anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. These properties make it highly effective in reducing pain and inflammation, especially in conditions like arthritis. Additionally, castor oil is beneficial for improving skin elasticity and hydration, making it a popular choice for skin care. Its mild cooling effect also contributes to its effectiveness as a remedy for topical application to relieve joint and muscle pain. A 2009 study published in Phytotherapy Research found that castor oil can be as effective as diclofenac, a common non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drug, in reducing pain associated with osteoarthritis. Improvement of skin condition. Castor oil is widely used to enhance the health and appearance of the skin. It deeply moisturizes the skin, helping to retain moisture and prevent dryness. This makes it particularly beneficial for dry and sensitive skin types. A 2020 study published in Acta Biochemica Polonica showed that castor oil promotes collagen production, which improves skin elasticity and reduces the appearance of scars and stretch marks. Wound healing and skin regeneration. Castor oil's ability to accelerate wound healing is well documented. It helps in the regeneration of skin cells, making it effective in treating minor cuts, burns, and other skin injuries. A 2020 study published in the Journal of Infection and Public Health confirmed that castor oil can inhibit the growth of bacteria and fungi, protecting the skin from infections and promoting faster healing. Antimicrobial properties. The oil's antimicrobial properties make it useful in treating various skin conditions, such as acne and fungal infections. Its ability to fight off harmful microorganisms helps maintain healthy skin. Research published in the Journal of Infection and Public Health highlighted that castor oil is effective against common skin pathogens, further supporting its use in skincare and treatment of infections. Enhancing hair and nail health. Castor oil is also beneficial for hair and nails, promoting their growth and strength. It nourishes the scalp, reduces dandruff, and strengthens nails, preventing them from becoming brittle. A 2020 study highlighted the importance of castor oil in enhancing hair and nail health, citing its ability to provide essential nutrients that support growth and prevent damage. These combined benefits make castor oil a versatile and powerful ingredient in both health and beauty regimens. Baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, is widely recognized for its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. It is commonly used to neutralize acids in the body, making it effective in treating conditions like indigestion, acid reflux, and urinary tract infections. A 2020 study published in Integrative Cancer Therapies highlighted baking soda's potential as an adjunct therapy in cancer treatment, showing that it helps manage tumor acidosis and enhances the effectiveness of conventional treatments. Baking soda is also effective in improving skin health by exfoliating dead skin cells, reducing acne, and treating fungal infections. Its use in oral care products has been shown to significantly reduce plaque and gingivitis. A 2017 study published in the Journal of the American Dental Association demonstrated that toothpaste containing baking soda significantly reduces plaque and gingivitis compared to non-baking soda toothpaste. Furthermore, baking soda has been found to neutralize acids and maintain pH balance, which is beneficial for overall health. A 2020 study published in Biochemical Pharmacology emphasized the importance of acid-base balance and the therapeutic role of baking soda in treating conditions like metabolic acidosis. Both castor oil and baking soda offer a range of therapeutic benefits, with scientific studies supporting their effectiveness in various health applications. Their combined use can amplify their individual effects, providing a powerful natural remedy for a variety of health concerns. What benefits does castor oil with baking soda offer? Using these two substances together improves blood flow in the applied area, which boosts the body's natural defenses and tissue recovery. It also stimulates lymph drainage, helping to cleanse the body of toxins more effectively. The mixture increases the number of T lymphocytes, immune cells, in the affected area, which can recognize and neutralize foreign agents. It also absorbs and neutralizes harmful substances and excess skin oil. Here's how this mixture benefits you. Reduces allergic reactions and sensitivity to skin allergens. 1. Has antibacterial and antifungal effects, helping to eliminate unwanted microorganisms. 2. Promotes quick healing of wounds and resolution of bruises. 3. Provides excellent pain relief and reduces inflammation. 4. Soothes tired eyes. 5. Rejuvenates and restores the skin, making it more elastic and soft. 6. Relieves stiffness in joints, making movement smoother. 7. Has a whitening effect, helping to reduce freckles and dark spots. 8. Reduces itching and irritation from insect bites. 9. Removes warts and papillomas, softens the surrounding skin, and encourages healthy tissue growth by boosting local immunity. 10. Eases joint and lower back pain, especially in areas affected by osteochondrosis. 11. Makes stretch marks and scars less noticeable. 12. Restores soft, deformed, and fungus-affected nails to their normal hardness and structure. 13. Alleviates diarrhea and stomach discomfort when used as a compress on the abdomen. 14. Improves chronic skin conditions. 15. Removes excess oil from oily problem skin. 16. Clears blackheads from the face, chest, and back. How to use castor oil with baking soda for treating skin problems and allergies. Mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 to 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Apply the mixture to the problem areas, gently tapping or rubbing it into the skin. Rinse off with warm water after 5 to 10 minutes. For enhanced effect, you may take up to 5 drops of castor oil internally, but only after consulting a healthcare provider. For fungal skin infections and itching, mix equal parts of baking soda and castor oil, typically 1 tablespoon of each. Apply the mixture to the affected area and leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. Rinse with warm water and follow up with an antifungal cream if needed. Repeat 2 to 3 times daily until symptoms improve. For quick healing of wounds and bruises, mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Apply the mixture to bruised areas and leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. Rinse off with warm water. You can repeat this process 2 to 3 times daily for quicker healing. For relieving joint, back, and muscle pain, mix equal parts castor oil and baking soda, about 1 to 2 tablespoons each. Apply the mixture to the painful area, leave it on for 20 to 40 minutes, and then rinse off with warm water. This is best done before bed, and you should cover yourself with a warm blanket afterward to maximize the effect. For tired eyes, mix 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda with 1 teaspoon of castor oil. Apply the mixture gently to your eyelids and leave it on for 20 to 25 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water afterward. Use this treatment once daily. For rejuvenating hand skin, mix equal parts castor oil and baking soda, about 1 tablespoon each. Massage the mixture into your hands for 2 to 3 minutes, then rinse with warm water. This can be done daily or as needed. For making joints more flexible, mix equal parts castor oil and baking soda, about 1 tablespoon each. Apply the mixture to the joints needing recovery and massage gently. This can be done daily for best results. For aging neck skin, Mix equal parts castor oil and baking soda, about 1 tablespoon each. Regularly massage the mixture into the neck to improve skin elasticity. This should be done daily for at least 3 months to see noticeable results. For reducing dark spots, mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Apply the mixture to dark spots and leave it on for 20 to 25 minutes daily. Rinse off with warm water. This can be done daily until you see improvement. For insect bites and warts, mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Apply the mixture to the affected areas. For warts, wrap the treated area with a bandage and leave it overnight. Repeat daily until the warts are gone or the irritation subsides. For reducing stretch marks and scars, mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Apply the mixture to stretch marks and scars, leave it on for 30 to 40 minutes, and then shower. Repeat daily for the best results. When not to use. Despite its effectiveness, this mixture should not be used in the following cases. If you are allergic to any of the ingredients. If you have a sensitivity to castor oil or baking soda. If redness appears where the mixture is applied. To avoid adverse reactions, do a skin patch test by applying a small amount of the mixture to your forearm. If no reaction occurs within 15 minutes, it is safe to use. The castor oil and baking soda mixture can help with many skin problems, easing discomfort and reducing symptoms. However, it may cause an allergic reaction, especially if you have a history of allergies. Therefore, it's a good idea to consult your doctor before using the mixture. You can find many interesting videos about the benefits and harms of vegetables and fruits, as well as diseases and their treatments. So please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. I would also appreciate it if you could like this video and share it with your family and friends.